Good morning, dear students. For some issue from me, I'm not able to take your virtual class, and I'm sorry for that I'm not taking that class. Students, here we are going to learn some of the next topic. First, in the previous video that I sent it, we learn about the two lists. One is the order list and another list, right? So from that we are going to learn the next list, that is the definition list. That is a look like a order and unordered list, but that will be not contain any type of the number, any type of the symbol bullets, right? But it will be clearly show you that it is a definition. It's a some type. For example, I told you, give me the examples of the hardware. What you say in that condition, hardwares are, then you say the examples, keyboard, mouse and etc., right? So definition list means it will be contain the definition of that topic. So let's learn that one by one. A definition list is the list of the terms along with their definition or the description. That will be also give the description of the topic that you write. This is the syntax. First you have to write down the DL, that is the definition list. DT means whenever we are using OL and UL, we are writing the LI, right? Means list item. And what is the meaning of DT? DT means description term. Okay, description term, जिसके बारे में आपको लिखना है, इसको clarify करना है, right? Then we are going to learn the DD. DD means description, definition, description. Means you have to give the description. For example, here is the, you can see the storage devices examples are given here, that is the CD and the pen drive. So DL means the, you are going to write down, you are going to make a list, right? And DT means the term that you have to be used. And DD means the list item, means what will be contained, which type of the definition, which type of description that will be contained. This will be the output of that. Storage devices means here you can see that DT term will be slightly on the left side and the DD terms slightly on the right side. Let's see the examples. I already make the one of the demo, means the structure of that. Simply I am going to write down the D definition list. So first of all I have to write down the DL. Then in the DL we have to be write down the DT. Okay, so I am taking the example of hardware. Then take the DD for the description of the hardware. Which are the examples of the hardware? Simply you can say that keyboard. Hardware means that things that you can touch and see. Keyboard, again DD, sorry, mouse, monitor, etc. I am taking only these terms, and then I have to close the DL. Like OL and UL, we are close the OL and UL, so like that we have to also close the DL. Okay, I will show you how to save the file HTML. This is not, I am not saving this file, so all the fonts comes in the black. When I am going to save this in the notepad, the colors will be changed for the text. So I am pressing the Ctrl S. If you don't remember the shortcut key, just go to the file, click on the save, and here the options will be come, that is the desktop. You have to select down. If you will not appear your file on your desktop, first select the desktop here, then select the HTML files and write down the name, that is the definition list. Okay, so here you can see the text color will be changed. Okay, so we are going to see this output. Okay, that is there. Okay, here you can see that how it will becomes. Okay, so hardware, keyboard and mouse definition list. This is the heading that I write down in the H3, the hardware that I write down in the DL, then in the DT I write down the keyboard, mouse and monitor. Means that will be give the description for the hardware. मीन्स हार्डवेयर में क्या क्या आ सकता है वो यहाँ पे डिस्प्ले हो रहा है आपको, राइट. सो दिस इज़ द थिंग, दिस इज़ द वन टैग, दैट इज़ द वन टाइप ऑफ लिस्ट, that is the definition list. Now we are going to learn the list, that is the nested list, means list in the list. We are learn the first two lists, that is the order list and the unordered list, right. So you can also put order list and unordered list combined. How it will be works, first of all, what is the nested list? The list contain inside an outer list is called the nested list. मतलब एक list के अंदर दूसरा list. For example, you are going to write down the OL, means order list, and you want to give the description for that, for the one of the topic, then you can use the UL for the bullets. Like that, here is the one example is given you. First it will be use the OL here, LI, and in between it will be use the UL. Why do you will be use the UL? Here is the list of the subject. First is the English, maths and social science. In the social science, you know that will be a history and geography comes, right. So it will be comes the contents of the, it will be give the contents of the social science in the form of the bullets, that is the history and geography, and that it will be close the UL here. You have to be compulsory close the UL, otherwise the next list will means next point will be come in the UL, not in the OL. Okay, so I am showing you that. Okay, again I am taking the one head tag. H3 closed. Whenever you open any of the tag, then you have to compulsory close it. Okay, so first of all, as we learn OL and the UL, I am just writing that OL. Okay, first I am write down the same, I am taking the same example that will be you can see in the PPT. OL, I am first LI will be maths, then LI science, so English, again LI, SST, means in the SST you can contain the geography, so I am taking the UL for that. If you want to use here UL and here OL, then it also okay, you can get the output by yourself. Geography, and the other part is history. Sorry, I forgot that. Sorry, in the UL you have to be write down here the LI. That's why that will be come in red arrow for that. LI history. Close the UL and close the OL again. Okay, so here you can see that this OL will be closed, this UL is also closed. Whenever we are closing also DL here. Okay, so OL closed, UL closed. Control S, go to the output, and you can see here the output also. Okay, so here you can see if you want to add the other point in the OL, so you can also add that. Like for example, I will show you here. Okay, last we are using the UL. If you want to add other one in the OL, so you have to write down the LI, just because before closing OL you can list out your all numbers, means your things, your topic in that. English, SS, Hindi, computer, okay, and OL will be closed here. Again I am refreshing this. So here you can see the output here. This is the definition list. That will be no symbol, no numbers comes, but that will be show you what is the detail of that. The second thing is the nested list, means list in the list. If you want to use the here UL, then you can also use the UL, and here you want to use the OL, then you can also UL also included, OL also included. I will show you the output. If you want to write down here UL and here OL, that will be also displayed to you. Sorry, yes, I use the UL here and here OL, so that will be here. I'm just wrong, just because this is UL and closing OL here, but UL is here. So here I have to change this. Now it will be completed and you can see the output here. Okay, if I want to use all the ULs, so what should I have to do? Here I have to write down the UL, and I'm changing the type equals to double quote, circle, okay, and in place of OL I have to change. Save and refresh. So you can here change, show the changes also. If you want to change the other type, then you can also do that. You can write down the square also. Okay, so I am here write down the OL here. All OL I will take. Okay, OL type is not equals to circle, so I just first show you the output, then I am going to change it. So you can see here 1 2 3 4 and 5 6 here. For the SST there will be 1 and 2 numbers are come, but I want that it will be comes in Roman, so you can write down type equals to double quote I C and refresh. So you can hear that will be comes in the Roman number or the small I. If you want to write here small I, then that will be also okay. Refresh, changed. Okay, then other is the start equals to 5 and type equals to capital A. You can do all the things that you learn in the lists. So here you can see it start from the 5th character, that is the E, F, G, H, I and J, and here there will be Roman numbers, that is I and means 1 and 2. Okay, so this is the end of the chapter. Last we learned the definition and the nested list here. Next on the Thursday we will going with our solving our exercise, and hopefully that you solve by yourself, and even you have to try this nested list, just because that will be sometimes it will be confused for you. Okay, so here students, I am going to end this meeting, and thank you to understanding me for that I am not taking a virtual class. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye dear.